Hello and welcome back to RMUC in the Loop, your insider pass to the Rent Manager User Conference. With about 4 months to go until we head to San Antonio, there's a lot happening behind the scenes. From planning educational sessions and developing new features to coordinating special events and all the details that bring RMUC to life, we're definitely staying busy around here. One of the things I'm most excited about this year is a brand new way of presenting our breakout sessions. You'll still get all the valuable learning opportunities RMUC is known for, but with a simpler structure designed to help you build your ideal schedule and get even more out of your week. To walk us through this update and also what our bootcamps have in store is a very familiar face, Chief Customer Experience Officer Chris Griesinger.
Thanks, Lindsey. Each year we receive feedback from our attendees that we use to improve the next year's conference. For RMUC 26, we've taken some of that feedback and revamped how we categorize our sessions. The goal is to help you better understand what to expect when you step into one of these classes. So for RMUC 26, we are introducing several new session types: 101 sessions, best practices, solutions, tips and tricks, and panel discussions. A 101 session is for true beginners. If you're new to Rent Manager or new to that part of the program, these classes are meant for you. For more experienced users, you can attend a best practices session that digs much deeper into a topic, offering best practices and other strategies to optimize the feature for your business. These sessions are for people who have mastered the basics and are now looking for more. Experienced users will also appreciate the solutions classes. These are also typically more advanced sessions that focus on a specific metric or pain point and how Rent Manager can be used to solve the problem. We also have tips and trick sessions, which I think will be very popular. These classes are great for both novice and experienced Rent Manager users and will provide a rapid-fire overview of shortcuts, hidden features, and quick settings that can have a big impact on your productivity. And finally, panel discussions will give you a chance to engage with thought leaders and industry experts, discussing everything from the Rent Manager product roadmap to industry trends, to vocational best practices, and more. I know that was a lot to take in, but don't worry, there won't be a pop quiz. To learn more about these session types and to see the full session descriptions, you can view them right now at conference.rentmanager.com/full agenda. Now, before all these sessions even begin, you can kickstart your conference experience by participating in one of our 2 full-day boot camps, one designed specifically for beginners and one designed for people working to become power users. If you're not sure which boot camp is best for you, here's what you need to know. Core Boot Camp is our hands-on crash course of Rent Manager basics, including setting up your database, processing receivables and payables, and completing the full tenant lifecycle. If you're a new user or just need a good refresher, Core Bootcamp will give you the baseline knowledge necessary to make the most of the classes you'll experience later in the week. If you're well past the basics and looking to really tailor Rent Manager to the specific needs of your business, then I encourage you to sign up for the Administrator Bootcamp. Backed by popular demand, this bootcamp will show you how to customize Rent Manager to enhance your system's security and to improve your staff's efficiency. We'll also share best practices for implementing your business's standard operating procedures directly in Rent Manager, ensuring no task is left behind. No matter which sessions you decide to attend, all of them are going to offer new insights to help you get the most out of Rent Manager. I am proud of the RMUC 26 class list, and I look forward to seeing you at some of those sessions in October.
We've packed so much value into this year's educational lineup, I can't wait for you to experience everything we have planned. Head over to conference.rentmanager.com right now to register for RMUC 26. And if Bootcamp is part of your plan, don't forget to add it to your registration and secure your spot. Be sure to follow us on social media to stay up to date on the latest Rent Manager and RMUC news. Thanks for staying in the loop. We'll catch you next time.